Hello. How do you get the Amazon Prime membership? As you know, with Prime, we get music, movies, TV and games with Prime Video, plus unlimited fast delivery, which is probably what we use it for. It's really easy. We are going to subscribe to Amazon Prime using just an internet web browser. You can do this through the Amazon shopping app, just click on the Prime button, but it does divert you to the way that we're doing this anyway. Click on the link down in the description and follow along with me step by step, because the new thing I'm trying to make your family happy is to buy Amazon Prime membership. On your internet browser, either on your phone or a laptop or desktop, go to your Amazon page that's local to your country, or use the link on screen now or down in the description. To show you the process, I'm going to amazon.com. Then go to account on the right hand side here along the top bar, and then choose your account. I'm a what? Your account. And right at the top, you will see a big box for Prime. Let's click on that. There might be a deal waiting for you, maybe a month's free subscription or a week at a discounted rate. I'm going to click on Start Your Free 30-Day Trial. And now I'm going to scroll down and click on Sign Up and Pay. I thought I'd get a bigger message than this, but it just says, welcome to Amazon Prime. You now have access to instant streaming of thousands of movies and TV shows. I am calling this a Dad Delivers Prime success. We can even download and sign into the Prime Video app to watch whatever we wish. If this is working, say hi in the comments. It'd be lovely to hear from you. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or subscribe button. It really helps me out. And right here is what YouTube knows you are going to love watching next. Amazon Prime!